Hello friends, I'm Alexius Varro, guiding you through the art of Stoic living. Today we're diving into a powerful lesson from the Meditations of Marcus Aurelius. Cut the strings that control your mind. This is insight number 14 in our journey. Let's explore how these ancient words can help us reclaim control in our modern world, where so many forces vie for our attention. Marcus Aurelius reminds us to feel at last that there is something more powerful and divine within you than what passions produce or what pulls you. It's so important to realize that within us is a strength far greater than the fleeting impulses and external temptations we encounter daily. But how do we harness this strength when we're bombarded by constant distractions? Picture this. You're scrolling through your phone first thing in the morning. Notifications from social media, breaking news alerts, promotional emails, every single one is a demand for your attention. Just like food specialists design products to exploit your taste receptors, and Silicon Valley engineers develop apps that are as addictive as gambling, the media and other entities fabricate stories designed to stir your emotions. The goal? To pull you away from what truly matters. Marcus Aurelius, although living in a simpler time, was no stranger to distractions. While he may not have faced today's technology, he dealt with gossip, the incessant call of work, fears, suspicions, and desires. These internal and external forces are timeless. They affect us all. Marcus emphasized that philosophy invites us to become more attentive and strive to be more than just pawns. In Viktor Frankl's book, Man's Search for Meaning, he wrote, "Drives push us, values pull us." This is a profound concept to ponder. Our drives, hunger, lust, anger, push us impulsively, often leading to regret and dissatisfaction. Our values, on the other hand, pull us towards higher aspirations and a meaningful life. To resist being jerked around on strings like marionettes, we need to cultivate strong values and inner awareness. Mindfulness, the practice of being clearly aware of our thoughts and feelings without getting tangled up in them, is key to cutting these strings. But let's be honest, mindfulness requires effort and contemplation. It's not always easy, especially when we're conditioned to respond to every ping and pop-up. However, isn't it worth it to invest in our mental sovereignty? Imagine starting your day with a mindful routine instead of reaching for your phone. A few minutes of meditation, some deep breathing, or even just a quiet moment of reflection can set a tone of calm and control. This way, when you do engage with your devices or the world around you, you bring a centered presence rather than a reactive one. Another practical step is to consciously curate the content you consume. Be selective about the media you engage with, the social media you follow, and the conversations you entertain. Ask yourself, does this align with my values? Does it enrich my mind or nourish my spirit? If not, give yourself permission to let it go. Ultimately, this Stoic practice encourages us to step back and evaluate. Is there fear here? Suspicions? No lust? Anything like that? As Marcus Aurelius advised, constantly check your understanding. This self-inquiry helps isolate the forces trying to control you and empowers you to reclaim your inner authority. So friends, your challenge for today is to identify one string that controls your mind and take a step to cut it. Perhaps it's limiting your screen time, practicing a few minutes of mindfulness, or choosing to disengage from negative media. Share your experience in the comments below. How did it feel? What did you notice? Let's support each other on this journey to a more attentive and deliberate life. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of Stoic wisdom. If you found value in this discussion, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on our journey towards practical virtue and inner peace. Together, let's cultivate a community of resilient, mindful, and deliberate modern Stoics. Until next time, stay strong and keep striving for that inner divine strength. I'm Alexius Varro, signing off.